Hi, and welcome to our 13th video of our 52-week Blender challenge. This time we're going to make an apple peeler, and unfortunately this one might take a little bit of time, so I do apologize. I'm actually fairly new to something like this, so yeah, let's get started. We're not going to make it unit based, we're just going to make it like what we have here so that it won't take so long. So press S, make it really small. We're going to tab edit mode, give it a cut, and set it up for what's it called, a mirror modifier. That way we can make the body of it pretty quickly. Faces, add your mirror modifier. All right, so let's see, we're gonna do E here, cut here, E, oh sorry, we're gonna go face mode. E here, just that, GC, it's gonna be a little higher, then cut this R, make this here GX, then E up, and that's pretty much the body of it. We are gonna make some changes here. So this G, like that. Like that, that's good. Think of it like a slingshot. Right. As like that. Alright, next we got the body. Press tab, we're gonna go press 3 to the side. This is way too thick. Alright, so SY, make it about that thin, but we also want to make it thick enough on the middle part here. So X-ray mode, go to edit mode first. We're gonna increase the size of this and make this proportional. So about here, okay. Then as Y, make this, all right. That's pretty good, blocky, but if you're making for this for a game, it's not a bad thing. All right, press 1. Let's see, quick way. Let's add a cylinder. Actually, let's add a cube. S, we're gonna make it blocky, not roundish. It'll save us a lot of time. I tried to do this with cylinders and kind of make it round. Yeah, I mean, it did work, but it took me like 20 minutes, and this is taking me like maybe half the time, if not less. All right. And then Shift D. Shift D. Oh, sorry. Let me make sure this is like Shift D C, like pretty geometric. Yeah. All right. So this is what's gonna be here. Press S, so it goes in there. Actually, no. Yeah, no. Like this. All right. This is what's gonna be cut out from this. So press this. Oh, we can apply this first. Apply. That's what we want. And we're going to do a Boolean. If it's easier to do a Boolean than do like things piece by piece, breaking it out, deleting faces, then do it. Like if you're just learning just simplify things for yourself and then build up upon that. And believe me, you will get better. I'm hopefully getting better too. All right, then select this one. All right, that'll cut that out, apply it. Select this what's here already, S, and then X, and then make it smaller. This is like what's gonna show up as the part that's cutting, and this has two parts cut out. So let's first do this, cut that out of this. So Boolean. All right, apply. Then we can cut this part out. And same thing, we want this part to cut it out of here. Like if you just want to go a little smaller so that it only cuts up to like here, that's fine. But remember, like the user is only really seeing what we want them to see, so you don't have to overcomplicate things and make them like generally detailed inside and out. Like that's one of the things I suffered with, and yeah, don't do that to yourself. It's a lot of work. All right, select the piece you want things cut out of. Boolean, select the piece you want things cut out in shape of, like that. That's fine. Apply. All right, delete this. Actually, don't delete it. G, we're gonna make it over here. Press S, G. All right. Some what's it called? Some apple cutters have like this metallic piece. Like this is all one piece, like this and this, and like it's curved to the side, showing you like, hey, this is bonded with a metal. What's it called? Soldering or something like that. So yeah, we can do that little piece right here and make it curved. So tab, edit mode, Control R, and we're gonna break it up into like that amount of pieces, and then proportional editing on, select that, G, sorry, R, like that. All right, that's good. G, oh, make it smaller, 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 like that. All right, R, vertices right here, don't make it too thin, and you might unfortunately just need to get rid of the rotational, so the proportional editing there. Or that's pretty good. Just make sure it's thick enough. Or so tab, let's fix this geometry here, set origin in case we need to move some things later. Origin to geometry right there. Press 1, actually press 3, then S, X, Y, actually S, Y, like that. Okay, sweet. Oh, in the bottom here, we usually have like this notch where we can hang it with. So let's add that. Shift A, cube. Press 3. G, C. See, like that. S, Y, like this. S, C. Make it smaller. And then let's cut this out. We can delete that and get out of X-ray mode. It's pretty good. Oh, we need to add an array here. mirror. Make sure it's across this object. Then apply, and you're all good. We have a little bit of time. It's only been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna add some coloring to this just so you can make it look a little better. So let's add here material. We're gonna make blue's pretty good. I like blue. And we are gonna make it not metallic. Kind of like, not a glass. I wonder if they have a plastic fraction, blah, 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 velvet, no. Because I know they have glass. No, I guess they don't. A sheen tint. Like that. Okay, that's not too bad. It kind of represents plastic, but again, we can change it. Then let's add a metallic to this. We're gonna do a gray, like that. We'll call it gray metal. So add more metallic, less roughness. Cool. And then for these, we're going to do the same thing, add a new material, and the material is going to be just gray metal. And that's it. You have your simple duper magical, what's it called? Apple cutter. And like you see all these little white pieces here, it's fine to leave them like that just to show like, hey, this is where it's cut out. But if you wanted to, you could also select the faces here. Actually press A for everything, and then add a new material, and then just make it your material. And that would be pretty much it. But I don't really recommend that. Those cuts should have something a little different. Oh, what happened? Okay. No, I changed it up. Okay, that's good. Actually, orangey works a little better. All right, nice. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Sorry if I confused you, but yeah, simplify it, make it blocky. You're just starting out, and then work on that on and on.